Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Livestorm, and this is the best webinar platform for engaging webinars. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can get to simply extended free trials and also exclusive benefits and rewards on Livestorm, so make sure to try that out. So coming onto the platform, this is basically a webinar scheduling platform. So it have this calendar dashboard where you can simply click to add or create your events, or you can click on this top right side of your screen, and then here you need to enter your basic details, like for example the link, event access settings, speaking permissions, and also scheduling date of course and time. You can add your members that you want to incorporate or your team, then click on create event. It will be added on there. So let me just give you a quick demonstration for that, and let's just keep it how it is, and also click on create event, and you will be able to see it will be created and it should be good to go. So just wait for a couple of seconds. So yeah, it is now created, and we are now on the settings where we can enter more details, like for example what it is about and all that details in the settings. So you can see it is now created. You can also click on these three dots, simply view the registrants, and also copy session ID. On the left side you can see your events. Of course, instant is basically a session where you can craft your sessions immediately. The peoples in here, you can add your people and their registrants that are going to be showing up in the webinar. So quite simple and yet effective platform. Make sure to give it a try. Talking about its reviews are amazing. Of course, now we should scroll a bit down to have more details. Reviews: easy to set webinar platform with plentiful app integrations, pretty easy, intuitively used, and you can see everything is perfect except for attendee limitations and monthly licenses. So everything that we need at a good price. So money to value, that is it, and pretty cool, right? Make sure to head over to the link in the description, using which you can easily get extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.